I don't want to see me yell. 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 But hi, I'm Alex Birch, and one more, and one more, and one more. This will be my last. I'm 23 years old, and I go to Short Center North. I'm going to do a soda challenge without burping. So let's get started. And let's get into the video. Mm. Hmm. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm.
This is sea lion territory. Don't ever stick your conceited jet butt over here again. Excuse me?
Mm. 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 Mm.
Not this mariachi band. Oh, yes, I'll knock you out, band sheep. Okay, I use my hands. All right, you can't fight girls like this. It's churches. Right.
I didn't have a better. I didn't have a better. I didn't have a better. Oh, I didn't have a better. One is better, better. One is better, one is better. Better. Oh, better. Oh my god, I'm good. Oh my god, I'm good. Oh my god, I'm good. One is good, good. One is good and one is good. Good. Oh, good. I didn't have a better. Oh my god, I'm good. Oh my god, one is good and one is good. Okay. If you want to see more videos like this, comment and rate and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Bye.